No, what are these? What are these? Oh, what's that, Addie? What's that? Potty. What's that? There's the duck. What's this? Okay. What's that? Oh, that baby's night-night. What's this? Milk. Here? Spoon. How about this? Banana. What is this? Cheese. Cheese? Alright. What are these? Keys. What's this? Clock. And what's this? What is that? What about this? Phone. And this? House. Where's the frog? Good job. Where's the tree? Tree? What about the grass? Yay! What's this? What are those? What are they? Boots. What are these? So what's that? Sock. What's on the baby's head? Hat. What are these? What are those? The pants. What's this? Pencil. Puzzle. Where's the phone? No phone I ever saw.
Ask her what the animals are.
Addie, what's this right here? What is this? Who's that? Who is that right there? Look. Who is it? Where's the kitty? What's this? What about this, Addie? Where's the horse? Show Mommy where's the horse. Show me the horse. What about the cow? Where's the moo cow? Point to the cow. Where's the horse?